Hi, this is Bob at Abbeon. In this week's video newsletter, we'd like to share with you some of the segments of testing that we've done with our ultrasonic welder and our ultrasonic knife. Both of these units use the same generator. The ultrasonic welder comes with a variety of tips so that we can do different applications like spot welding, staking, and inserting of plastic parts. And so we're going to share some of those with you today. And the ultrasonic knife is a unique cutting tool because of its high frequency vibration. We're able to cut things like carbon fiber materials, and we can cut sheer fabric and seal the edges so that it doesn't fray. I hope you find the video useful, and if you have any questions or if you would like us to do some testing for you, please give us a call or visit us online at abbeon.com. Thanks.